Ugh. Dang. Let me show you guys something. I get it, people want to come out target shooting and, you know, it's, I don't know. Sometimes target shooting people abuse it, and I am just like disgusted with this scene here. This is, what trail is this out here? That's something Creek?
Wilson Creek.
So it's the Wilson Creek area, but this is the Hard Trigger Trail. We're kind of close to the parking that's up there a little ways.
Shotgun shells.
Yeah, so this is absolutely out of control. You know, the last guy that we saw sitting here was that guy in that Toyota Tacoma.
All this stuff was already here.
Probably.
When we came by the first time.
This is what I'm talking about. This is abuse of this beautiful land out here, and it is just out of control. Look at all this glass, this broken glass.
It's like if you bring it out here, take it back with you.
Yeah. There's a paint gun over there. Just be careful where you're stepping. There's broken glass everywhere. Ooh, yeah, see, I just stepped on some glass. This is out of control. Come on, people. And then what's going on over here? What is flamethrower? What is this? All burned up.
From here to there.
That's abuse, folks. Just, I mean, that's the kind of stuff right there that causes brush fires out here that continue. It's just a good thing that it's all wet out here right now. We have no idea how long ago they did it. Like, what is that?
I don't know.
Some kind of electrical plug box thingy majigger. Apples, they're biodegradable. Who cares about those? And what is this crap over here? Some kind of cage? Seriously, come on, man. This is out of control. Somebody's got to come out here and clean up that shit, and it's going to end up being us. We don't have any room for it right now. We're just maxed out. It's getting a little... We didn't bring the garbage bag. Even then, I don't even know if we'd have enough room for all this stuff. Get it together, people. Figure this shit out.
The high desert is a place of freedom, wide open skies, rugged trails, and the quiet beauty of untouched land. But that freedom is fragile. Every bottle tossed, every bag left behind, every pile of trash scattered across the sagebrush scars this landscape we all love. It's more than an eyesore. It's a threat. When the land is abused, access is lost. Trails get shut down. Opportunities to explore, camp, and ride disappear. This desert belongs to all of us. Off-roaders, campers, hikers, families. It's our responsibility to protect it. Pack it in, pack it out. Leave no trace. Show respect for the land, for the wildlife, and for the generations who will follow in our tire tracks. Because if we don't, the gates will close and the high desert will be gone. Not by nature's hand, but by ours. Help keep this beautiful land clean. Protect the desert. Protect our freedom. Together, we can make sure the high desert stays open, wild, and alive for years to come.